Can douching cure vaginal yeast infection? Douching is the practice of cleaning the vagina with some sort of solution, which could be plain water, a mixture of water and vinegar commonly made at home, or a cleaning solution bought in a store. Many people believe that douching for a certain period of time can cure vaginal infection like a yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis or other types of vaginal infections, but this is a total misconception. While douching can prove useful in enhancing comfort within the vaginal area or relieve vaginal itching or other symptoms of vaginal infection, it is absolutely a no treat or cure for them. On the contrary, while people believe that douching can help cure yeast infection, it is even a risk factor that can cause a yeast infection. The vagina produces certain liquid that tends to wash away semen, menstrual blood, and vaginal discharge. Hence, douching for the sole reason of trying to keep the vaginal clean is not totally a good idea. There is certain microorganisms that live in the vagina, including benign bacteria and of course yeast, which is a kind of fungus. These organisms live in a healthy balance to one another, made possible by the body's immune system, the pH level in the vagina and the activities of these organisms. Thus, repeated douching can upset the balance in the vagina, thereby wiping off a huge population of the good bacteria. This can easily encourage yeast overgrowth and thus cause or worsen a yeast infection. Other vaginal health issues associated with douching: women who douche frequently have a higher risk of getting infected with the following. Other vaginal infections, like bacterial vaginosis, vaginal irritation, pelvic inflammatory disease. This results when a bacteria travel from the vagina to the woman's reproductive organs, infecting the uterus, fallopian tubes or ovaries. Additionally, women who douche often can also experience ectopic pregnancy, a case where a fertilized egg wrongly implants itself in the fallopian tube and not in the uterus. However, these are just possible health complications that can result from frequent douching. There is no proof yet whether people who have experienced any of these cases douche often or whether douching is the direct cause. But this is so you can be more careful when next you plan to douche, and at least know that instead of helping you prevent yeast infection, it can expose you to a whole lot of other vaginal infections, including the yeast infection you are trying to avoid. The best way to clean the vagina. The vagina already produces a kind of secretion that cleans off foreign bodies and particles like semen, menstrual blood, etc. Hence, the best way to keep the vagina clean without interfering with the bacteria balance or pH in the area is to leave it to clean itself naturally. But if you must, then don't go beyond the normal thing. Wash it with soap, hygienic soap, and water during your usual bath or shower. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and consider subscribing for more healthy tips.